Hello and welcome to BOZWANG. Today we're introducing the BZW-9A-02 portable ultrasonic wire harness welding machine, designed for high-precision butt welding and parallel splicing of copper wires. With a welding capacity ranging from 0.5 to 10 square millimeters, a maximum output of 2000 watts, and an ultrasonic frequency of 20 kHz, it delivers stable and efficient performance for demanding production environments. Multiple welding configurations are supported. Its portable split-type design allows flexible installation and seamless integration into various production setups. By welding directly after wire stripping, it eliminates waste and harmful gas emissions while achieving near zero ohm resistance at the joint, significantly reducing heat-related safety risks.